everyone, it's Beaching Nails. Today I had gotten a package from Amazon. This inside should be the Modelones Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit. I have not opened this yet. So let's see what's inside here. Let's cut this sucker open. And we have a nice bubble envelope inside, and then a smaller package inside. Let's open this one up. Okay, so I have it opened. And it's inside another bag. Bag inside of a bag, nicely packaged. Again, this is Modelones. This is Ideal Gel Polish. This is a beginner's kit. It is in a reclosable bag, but unfortunately I did not know it came that way, so when I opened my bag, guess what? Yay! Don't you hate that? So I just ruined that bag. Ooh, look, nice little light. I have one of those old school big ones, so this is gonna be nice. Nice light. Got some user information here. Some safety information. Oh, nice little color dots to apply the colors. And here should be 6 different gel colors. So here I can put my samples on there. And inside this baggie, got lots of goodies in here. Lots of these UV gel remover pads. We have those. We have some tip guides. Ooh, nice tweezers. A cuticle remover. You have to be extremely careful with these. You can really give yourself a nice blood river. I know I used to when I first started using those. A cuticle reviser oil. Ooh, a nice heavy duty. This is a nice cuticle pusher. The nice end on the other side. A nail brush. Lots of stuff in this package. This package is $35.99. This is from Amazon. It's actually one of Amazon's choices, and it is on Prime too, so you can get it fairly quick. It's $35.99. We have a washable, disinfected, 2-way. Wow, the one side's really, really rough. A nail file and a smoother side there. That's a disinfected one, so I can reuse it. This is a nice buffer one, and I would say this is a soft grit. If you want to do your toes, you have some toe separators there. Oh, and this is all how to use this gel nail polish kit. So it does show you, even all the way down to, didn't even see these little guys, even to the clippers here. It shows you all right here. I'll take a picture of this and post it. You get 6 gel polishes, a base coat, a top coat. You've got the light, nail tips, nail brush, the cuticle oil, the tweezers, the pusher, a double-sided 2 of the nail files, cuticle oil, these removers, bottle sizes. Where are these bottles? Now these are smaller bottles, and that's because it's for travel. When you are traveling, you kind of need to travel lightly, but you want to take a variety. So these bottles are nice and handy. We have a top coat here. Let's move this out of the way here. We have our top coat. We have our base coat. And then in here we have 6 little gels. And it looks like we have, these are like really soft pastels. I'm looking at it. It's like a mint green, a light bluish purple, mauve. This is what they look like. And here's just a comparison in size. Again, this is for travel purposes, so you kind of want to keep it small. Let's see. I really want to see what this light looks like. So much goodness in this package. So much, so much. Oh, opens up very nice. Oh, look at this little USB so you can plug it into your laptop. We have a manual. What color do you think I have? There's like 3 different colors on this box. Oh, this is a cute little pink one. Look at that. It's flat for storage. And it's got these pull-out legs. So it goes right there, so I can just slide my hand right underneath. Let's see here. Let's plug this in. Alrighty, so we have it all plugged in, and let's test this out. Ooh, look at that. Nice. I can't wait to test this out.